Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, one of the things that has become seemingly apparent in this season is Umusam Selebu's financial capabilities, if you can put it in this way. Guys, ever since Linda Bagatobile paying the car insurance. Ever since that episode, people have just been going on about how Umusa is not as moneyed as we thought he was. Oh, yeah, he's not as moneyed as we thought he was. I think that's the right wording, because if we are being quite honest, guys, Umusa Mselegu never ever came out here, or according to my memory, he never ever came out here and said, Uguti mina ngiyisgwili, I'm a rich man. One thing, or the stuff that I know Umusa Mselegu says about himself is that he's a self-made businessman and that he's an extremely hardworking man. And he is, you guys. Now, yeah, ever since that, and then ever since that episode of Utobile, still there hasn't been clarity of Utobile. Is this money coming from her own pocket? We've spoken about that previous seasons. It does seem like Utobile she does help out the family with money. People saying Utobile is actually the one who's moneyed in this family. Now the medical aid thing comes out, you guys. And people are like, no, but if Umusam Selegu had money, if he was that moneyed, why did the wives have to pop out money? Why bekumele ukuthi kuhlanganiswe imali if he had money or that much money? Phela guys, private hospitals, they don't come cheap. We don't know how long he was in there. He was under intensive care. We don't know, but all I know is that they're expensive, right? So people are saying if he did have money, then they wouldn't have to kazata money. They would have just taken out money, or money would have just came out from his account, or whatever the case may be. Now, guys, you know what, Nem? I know we say a lot of things about Umusa, but ngiyamzwela in a sense. I think it is a notion that us as the public had, and that's why I used the wording at the beginning of the video that people are saying he doesn't have money the way we think he has. Because I think a lot of us, we thought Chuguchu Musa has money. We thought Chuguchi, the fact that he has so many wives, he has money. We've seen in a previous season where he bought cars for his wife. So, and I think another thing that we tend to forget, guys, is that when people come on reality TV shows, they are investors. These people are going to invest clothes, makeup to these wives to make them look polished. But it's not as if they are living like that each and every day, besides Umakumalo. And even Umakumalo, that is just like a recent thing. If you look from the very first seasons, that's the life she's living now, is not the life that she used to live back then. I kind of feel sorry for Umusa because, guys, I think, yeah, it's just a notion we had, and I think we need to stop putting that notion on him. Because if you've watched Umnawethu, Umusa has said, Uguti, a man doesn't necessarily need to be moneyed or his temp. Now, guys, even when we look at certain things, I'm just like, yeah, maybe we as the public, we the ones who bluffed ourselves. I think, guys, it's important for us to realize that being moneyed, has different terminologies in a sense depending on which province you live. For an example, if you stay in Gauteng, right? Being moneyed here in Gauteng is not the same as being moneyed in Cape Town. Cape Town, guys, it's a different standard of living. Even the ones who have money here in Gauteng, when they go to Cape Town, buy a car because the cost of living is just different. So let's bring it back to KZN as well, guys. KZN's level of having money might not necessarily be the same level of having money. Maybe Mzumbe. Do you understand? Maybe Mzumbe, he is classified as a man who has money. But if we look at the houses Mzumbe, guys, you can see Uguti, like, they are not wealthy, these people, right? They are not wealthy. These people, I feel like they are living okay. Hey, let me not say they are living okay because I don't know people's financial status. But people on Twitter were just like, I mean, guys, Nati, look at the houses Mzumbe. I mean, if Umusa had that much money, would he not move all of his wives to SC Park or to suburb places? And then Mzumbe, it's just like a place that they would go to. It's Wunomsebenzi or something like that. I don't know, you guys, but I do think that we should give this man a level of grace, because I, for one, feel like this man is hardworking. He's hardworking. His wives even say it themselves, guys. Every time they're having a birthday party for Umusa, that's one thing they will always say. Which this man, he's hardworking, and that's why I kind of didn't like it when Umayeni was counting with and yet she's working. I'm like, but this man is doing a lot for you guys. Like, if we're being quite honest, guys, I don't even get why some women are even judging Utobile for helping her man out. Because let's be honest, guys, especially here in South Africa, if you are married as a black person, as a woman, chances are you are helping out your man financially. And it's not helping out, it's coexisting, because yeah, melobusizwane type of thing. So that's the reality of real life, guys. As a woman, when you are working and there's many other women, they are making more money than their men, and they just keep quiet about it so that they don't make their men look like ingati they don't have financial capability. But even if he is not that manly as we think we are, I don't think it takes away from the hard-working man he is, and for the fact that he's built something that a lot of men seem to want. Even if it's not going the way he wants it, and yeah, at this point I feel like he's just forcing it and it's not working. But at least he tried, guys. At least even if uzohluleka. So anyway, guys, that's just my thoughts on the whole thing of Umusa being broke and whatnot. I'm just like, this man never said he's a rich man. And even if that's the case, guys, I just don't see why should it be a big deal. If he decides to take a wife number 5, I know many people are like, why would you take wife number 5 when the other wives are not financially fine and whatnot? Hey, but guys, they knew. That's how I'm saying the only person who could possibly I can give grace to Uzumatsaila. The rest of them, they got into Estembin knowing this is a polygamous man. And one thing about polygamous men, they don't get enough. You never know when even at this point, we don't even know if number 5 or what's happening. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this in the comment section. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.